Okay, the next thing is a rootkit, and a rootkit is malicious code that installs itself at the OS or kernel level to avoid detection. So it will start up before your actual system starts up in many cases. So they can be very difficult to detect, right? And also, as you may imagine, very difficult to get rid of. And the reason why being they load before the OS loads, and they can disable antivirus and anti-malware. As a security professional, you're going to need to develop your own preference around what set of tools you use for a specific purpose. There's not really one piece of software that works in all situations. One I've used in the past, and this is, again, not necessarily an endorsement of any specific application, but there are ones that are designed for very specific use cases. This specific one by Kaspersky was designed to remove something called TDS, right? It's called TDS Killer. So this specific rootkit, or anti-rootkit I should say, piece of software is free. It's a free tool you can download, and it does a couple things very specifically. It scans services and drivers, and it will also scan the boot sector on your machine, and it will look for the existence of that specific rootkit. All right, so again, not one piece of software does everything. A lot of times there's a multi-pronged approach, right? Different layers of kind of defense in depth. You're going to have different tools for different use cases, but it will look for the existence of that specific rootkit. If it finds it, of course, it will either disable or delete, and then you'll reboot your system, and then you'll come back up hopefully and all is well.